Buyers are once again becoming more conservative with their purchases as interest rates start climbing again, leading to continued reduced sales activity heading into the spring market. Hi, I'm Bill Kuklinski, and this is your February Market Update. The Federal Reserve raised its benchmark interest rates in February, which marks its eighth rate hike since March of last year. This quarter percentage point increase from 4.5% to 4.75% was made in an attempt to curb inflation. These rate hikes are having a significant impact on home buyers, as their affordability constraints become more challenging and existing home sales continue to fall. Ultimately, the rising rates are creating a challenging economic environment for prospective homeowners and the overall housing market. Let's take a look at the numbers. New listings decreased 28.9% to 458 homes from 644, while pending sales were down 9.9% to 501 homes from 556. Closed sales dipped 15.9% to 360 homes from 428. Days on the market was up 25% to 30 days from 24. Prices continue to gain traction as the average sale price increased 9.3% to $327,117 from $299,406. Inventory levels remain low with an overall shrinkage of 2.4% to 489 homes from 501. This has caused the month's supply of inventory to trend upward 14.3% to 0.8 months from 0.7. The increasing interest rates have created a difficult economic climate for prospective home buyers as well as sellers, and the uncertainty of the future has caused a feeling of uneasiness in the housing market. This is making it increasingly difficult for buyers and sellers to move forward with their real estate plans. If you're planning to buy or sell a home this year, it's important to stay in tune with the housing market. Consider reaching out so we can provide you with the information and guidance tailored to your specific situation. Make sure to keep up to date on the latest real estate news by hitting that bell button to subscribe. We'll keep you informed on all the latest real estate trends. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.